friends, in this video we are going to learn how to connect Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel with your Meta ad account or Facebook ad account, right? As you can see, I am into my events manager and I hope you know how to visit events manager using a Facebook page or Meta Business Suite, right? As we have already discussed how to open events manager in our previous videos. So as you can see, I'm into my data sets and here we have a pixel code that we have already created in our previous videos, right? Now you need to click open settings of this pixel code. I have clicked on settings. Here you will get an option when you scroll down of share with an ad account. You need to click on it, and as soon as you click on it, it will automatically land you here. This is the Meta Business Suite settings page. As you have, if you have seen our previous videos, then we have been here many times, right, for many different reasons. So right now let me tell you that we are into data sets and pixel page. If you directly want to come here, then you can visit Meta Business Suite settings page and click on data sets and pixel in data sources, right? So we have already landed up directly over here as of now. And here you will see the metapixel code that you have created in your events manager, and now you need to open the connected assets. Here in the connected assets, I have already connected my ad account. If you have not connected your ad account, you just simply need to click on connect assets, other business assets, and here you can select your ad account and you can simply click on add to add your ad account to your Facebook pixel code, right? If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.